Number 1. Want a brighter smile? Chewing an apple stimulates saliva and naturally whitens your teeth. Number 2. Protect your memory. The antioxidants in apples help fight off Alzheimer's disease. Number 3. It's a brain shield. Apples prevent the breakdown of nerve cells, protecting against Parkinson's. Number 4. Fight the big C. Rich in flavonols, apples reduce the risk of developing pancreatic and other cancers. Number 5. Heart health. The soluble fiber binds with the fats in your intestine, lowering your cholesterol levels. Number 6. Keep it beating strong. High fiber intake from apples is directly linked to a healthier heart. Number 7. It detoxes your system. The pectin helps flush out toxins, preventing painful gallstones. Number 8. Stomach troubles. The fiber absorbs excess water, making it a great natural cure for diarrhea. Number 9. Stop tuck. That same fiber adds bulk to help move things along and relieve constipation. Number 10. Gut balance. Apples help control irritable bowel syndromes by regulating digestion. Number 11. Lose the weight. High in fiber and water, apples keep you fuller for longer. Number 12. Cleans your body. Apples are one of the best food to naturally detoxify your liver. Number 13. Do not get sick. Vitamin C helps your immune system fight off infections. Number 14. Save your sight. Regular consumption is linked to a low risk of developing cataracts. Number 15. Breathe easier. Flavonoids in apple reduce inflammation in the lungs and help with asthma. Number 16. Stronger bones. A unique flavonoid called fulleretzin helps protect your bone density. Number 17. Sugar control. With a low glycemic index, apples prevent dangerous blood sugar spikes. Number 18. Get smarter. Apples increase your acetylcholine production, which boosts your focus and memory. Number 19. Glow up. The high water content keeps your skin hydrated and radiant. Number 20. Stay young. Vitamin C fights free radicals that cause premature wrinkles and aging. Number 21. Look awake. Eating apples helps brighten the skin and reduce dark circles under your eyes. Number 22. Sun shield. Apple nutrients provide a layer of protection against harsh ultraviolet rays. Number 23. Clear skin. It helps regulate oil production, reducing acne breakouts. Number 24. Blood health. Apples contain iron and help your body absorb it better, preventing anemia. Number 25. Build muscles. Ursolic acid in apple peels helps prevent muscles wasting and promotes growth. Number 26. Run longer. The antioxidant squalactine makes oxygen delivery to the lungs much easier. Number 27. Flat tummy. Apples act as a diuretic to help reduce water retention and bloating. Number 28. Pain relief. Fiber softens the stool, reducing the strain that causes hemorrhoids. Number 29. Lustrous lock. Nutrients in apples boost circulation to the scalp, promoting their growth. Number 30. Clean scalp. Apple extracts fight the bacteria that causes dandruff. Number 31. Filter better. The high water content flushes toxins to keep your kidneys clean. Number 30. Number 32. Stop the pain. Apples help eliminate uric acid, preventing painful gout attacks. Number 33. See in the dark. Vitamin A supports your eyes and improves night vision. Number 34. Wake up. The natural sugars give you a sustained, jitter-free energy boost. Number 35. It balances your pH. Apples help alkalize the body, reducing acidity. Number 36. Fast recovery. Vitamin C speeds up the process of tissue repair and wound healing. Number 37. Anti-inflammatory. Apples help bring down swelling and inflammation in the body. Number 38. Mom and baby. Eating apples during pregnancy is linked to better health for newborns. Number 39. Tummy shield. Compounds in apples protect your stomach lining from ulcers. Number 40. Brain safety. Eating white flesh fruits like apples is linked to a huge reduction in a stroke risk. Number 41. Healthy lungs. Regular apple eaters are proven to have better overall lung functions. Number 42. Burn fat. The fiber requires energy to digest, giving your metabolism in a kickstart. Number 43. Kissable breath. The pectin helps scrub teeth and remove food odors from your mouth. Number 44. Stay hydrated. Apples are 86% water, making them a tasty way to get your fluids. Number 45. Chill out. Reducing oxidative stress helps calm your mood and lower anxiety. Number 46. Cellular health. Antioxidants prevent DNA damage and mutations. Number 47. Liver longer. Studies show apple eaters have a lower mortality risk from all causes. Number 48. Budget friendly. You can find them anywhere and they won't break the bank. Number 49. Guilt free. With only about 95 calories, it is a perfect snack. And number 50. Versatiles, bake them, juice them, or eat them raw. There is no wrong way to eat an apple.